Now let's talk about what is project management. It is the process of planning, organizing, and overseeing the completion of a specific project. The main goal of project management is to achieve project objectives within the constraints of scope, time, quality, and budget. For example, a company is developing a new software application. First is the initiation phase, where the company will create project proposal and feasibility study and get the approval of the funding investors. Second is the planning phase. This is where budgeting takes place, including scheduling, resource planning, and risk management. Third is the execution phase, where there is the design phase, development phase, testing phase, and marketing and pre-launch phase. And fourth is the monitoring and controlling phase, where there is quality control, cost management, and timeline management. And lastly is the closing phase, where the final testing and launch will be conducted and formal handover will be done to the operations and customer service team. Post-project review will also be done for future improvements. Thank you and happy learning.